Welcome to Focus Garage, another cold video in the garage. Winter is full blown in Illinois, so we're going to continue working in the garage with our jackets. But today we're not working, we are bringing you guys a tool that I really love using. You can use it in the garage, you can use it inside your house as well, and it's very affordable. And I have seen some videos and I also seen some online blog type reviews about this product, and I wanted to give you guys my opinion, what I think about it, and also there are some coupons and stuff you can use and where you can get this product. So first of all, I want to talk about this big boy right here. This is a 180-degree LED flashlight that you can charge as well. Instead of using AA or AAA batteries, you can just charge it. And this thing, it has a magnetic bottom. Also, we're not sponsored by any of this product. This video is just my pure amusement of this product. That's why I'm doing it. But anyway, going back to it, it has a magnetic bottom end. You can stick it to wherever you're working, especially under the hood. You can stick it to the hood, and then you can line the light or sideways or whatever, or underneath the car as well. You can just one of the chassis rails or anything like that, you could use it there. So wanted to show you guys how bright it is. So I'm going to turn off the light and come back with this. So it's pretty dark out. I just stumble on the stupid. Anyway, it's pretty dark out. You guys can see you guys can't see anything, but boom, look how bright it is. I don't want to do that to you guys, but like this is pretty bright. Like doing this is like almost like I have my lights kind of turned on in the garage. I'm gonna try to do this without getting any shadow on the shutter, but you guys can see it's pretty bright, and there's like 3 stages of this. This is the bright, and this is, oh, turn it off. This is bright, this is medium, and then this is the flashlight at the end. So I'm going to turn on the light again now. Gotta see where I'm stepping. But you guys can see that it's like almost as bright as my, there are 6 LED lights here. They're pretty bright. So it's as bright as my LED lights up top. So I really like this tool. I just got it you can get it from Harbor Freight. It's called Brown. And it's rechargeable, like I said. And I believe the bright settings last 2 to 3 hours. Medium is like about like 4 or 5. And then just the flashlight like this, that's like 11 hours. So you can use it for 11 hours with no problem at that setting, or like 2 hours for the bright setting. And you can charge it. You can charge and use at the same time. So you could just plug it in and then continue using it if the battery runs out. I really like this. Originally it's $39.99. However, Harbor Freight is like the champion of tool for sale. You can get this for like $24.99 during their special event days, which is like almost every other 2 weeks. But also you can use your 20% coupon they have and drop that value down a lot further. For like less than $25, this is a really great tool. This is bright enough, and the casing is metal. You know, all this is metal, so you're not gonna, like, when you bang it, it's not gonna be damaged that easily. And then you can just, if the battery goes bad, you know, the internal battery, it's so easy to change. This is like a lithium ion battery and has like all the information that's in there. It's a 3.7 volt 22 milliamps an hour. So I'm trying to see, I think this is a part number. You can see 190919, or it could be built date, I don't know. Either way, you could find these batteries online and you can get it, so you can continue using this after your battery is dead, or like it's not rechargeable. Another thing I read online is that when through time, this cap right here gets loose, and when it's loose, it's not on, right? You gotta all the way make sure that it's like tight, and then you can turn it on. So that's another thing. You gotta make sure that if even if it's like quarter turn, it's not. So like you have to get it tight to get it working. So like even like this much, nothing. So make sure that the bottom end is tight when you're using it, if it's, you know, if it's giving you a problem or anything like that. And even if that's not working, you can just go ahead and replace the battery and be happy using this for a really long time. And you can turn this around as well, you know, has a swivel. You don't have to, like when this is magnetic, you don't want to mess up your paint or surface. You can just use this swivel thing around here on the base of the light to turn it around, and then, you know, and then angle it. So it's very useful. I really love it. I use it a lot inside the house when I'm under the crawl space, or in the garage under the car, or inside the car if I want a lot of light. So enough with this. Just go buy it if you're looking for a good work light. So I want to move on to the next one, is the small type one, which is like more like, you know, like small spaces. You can drop this when you can't use a big one. And also this is like more like you carry it on with yourself, and the light output is not as bright as that one, so it's gonna last a little bit longer. And the other negative thing about this is that it uses 3 AA batteries. But the good news is this is also from Harbor Freight, and it's called brown as well. And I will turn off the light and show you guys how bright this is and try to compare it. But sorry, this is not brown. This is quantum. I'm sorry. They all look the same, and it's metal and all that stuff. The round casing is metal. You have a little clip. But the good thing is, trying to say, Harbor Freight, they always have free battery coupons. So you get free batteries from Harbor Freight as well. There's 24 of these, and this lasts about 4 or 5 hours of usage. So every 4 or 5 hours you can just replace it. And by the time you're about to run out, you can go get another 24 pack of batteries from Harbor Freight for free. It's a good deal, I think. And it's just almost like it's a free to use tool once you spend money on it. And this is like $8 too. This is like less than $8, I believe. I can't 100% remember how much I paid for it, but it's less than $8. And I'm going to turn off the light again and show you guys how bright it is, and kind of compare it to the brightness of the big one versus the small one. And also this has 2 settings as well. I will show you guys a little bit off camera so I'm not blinding everyone. This is the bright setting, and then this is the low setting, and that's it. So depending on what setting you're using, it's gonna last, you know, could be like 2 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. So I'm going to turn off the light and come back. So don't wanna step over something. So this is how bright this one is. It's pretty bright compared to all the other LED light bulbs. And this is flashlight. This is like as bright as my one LED light up top that I have. So it's pretty good. Show you guys like this. So I'm blinding myself. But yeah, this is the bright setting. Show you guys the oops. And this is the medium settings, and that's it. So this is a pretty good tool as well. You can use it, like I said, under the car in tight space where you can't put that big one, or you trying to, you know, use in a combination as well. It's a very good tool. I'm going to turn on the light so I'm not blinding myself. But these are really great tools that you don't think about when you're working on a car. Light is very important. You want to be able to see what you're doing. Sometimes you can like feel through the bolts and stuff, but if you know, it will make it so much easier. And Harbor Freight, again, this is from Harbor Freight, and you can still use the 20% off. I don't know if these goes on sale or not. I have not seen it, but if you guys do, please comment below. Let everyone know if you can get it cheaper. I believe these are less than $8 or less than $9, something like that. And you can get the free batteries with it and plus 20% off. So it was a great deal for me. And I love these two tools. I use it all the time in combination. So just wanted to give you guys a little tool review. We haven't done that in a long time. I believe we did. We're trying to, if you find something very interesting, we try to share it with you guys. We don't want to do regular tool reviews because we're not, there are a lot better people out there. They have rigs and stuff. They can test the torque of the tool and all that stuff. I just want to show you guys something cool. I haven't seen this in a long time, and I was looking for a good work light, and I stumbled upon this, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So there you go. What do you guys think about it? Please comment below. Let us know if you can find it cheaper. If $24.99 for the big one is not the cheapest point, if there's cheaper option from Harbor Freight or anywhere else that has the same same performance as this one. So please let us know. Please share this video if you think it's a good video, and if you like what we're doing, please subscribe and push the bell button to get all the notifications. Thanks for watching. Kudos.